Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bed in Minecraft. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now the easiest way to get a bed in Minecraft is to simply get into a village and enter any one of these houses right here. Then you can simply destroy the bed using your hand, and here you are, you have the bed. Then right click whenever you want and you can simply put the bed and use it as a respawn point set, or you can sleep when night comes. But if you do not have a village beside you, you can simply grab some oak wood or any type of wood by just destroying it using your hand like this. And after collecting some wood, you can simply open your inventory by clicking on E. Then you can craft planks by using the logs right here. Then you can put them like this by clicking on right click and hold right click, then drag them. Then here you are, you have a crafting table. You can now put the crafting table, and now you need to get some wool. And to get some wool, you have to kill some sheep, or you can even use this thing right here, which is called shears. And to make shears, you should have a crafting table and right click on it. Then you can put 2 iron ingots in this way right here. Then you can simply craft shears. So now here, as you can see, I have some sheep right here, so I can even use these shears in order to get some of their wool, and they will also grow again and we can get more wool later. Or you can simply kill the sheep, and this will also give you meat and wool, as you can see. Now after collecting 3 wool, you can right click on the crafting table, then put 3 blanks on the bottom, then you can put 3 wool on the top, and here you are, you have a new bed. As you can see, it's very easy and simple. And also the color of the bed depends on the color of the wool, and you can also dye the sheep in order to get another color. So here, as you can see, we have a brown sheep. So when you put 3 brown wool right here, you will get a brown bed. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.